Nano Dimension, NNDM. Financial Summary 2020-2024. Nano Dimension Ltd, NNDM, is a leader in additive manufacturing, particularly in the production of additively manufactured electronics, AME. The company has experienced significant growth in revenue, driven by strategic acquisitions and the adoption of its advanced 3D printing technology across industries such as aerospace, defense, and medical devices. Here's an overview of Nano Dimension's financial performance from 2020 to 2024. 2020, transition and early growth. In 2020, Nano Dimension was still a niche player in the additive manufacturing sector, primarily focused on AME. The company generated $3.4 million in revenue, reflecting its early stage market position. Operating losses were significant, with a net loss of $200 million driven by high research and development, R&D, expenses, and efforts to expand its technology 53 sources. 2021, scaling operations. By 2021, the company began to scale its operations, particularly after securing multiple contracts with major industries. Revenues increased to approximately $10.5 million, showing a substantial improvement from the previous year. However, R&D expenses remained high, contributing to another large net loss of $227 million. Nano Dimension's continued focus on innovation, particularly in AI-driven additive manufacturing, set the stage for future growth 52 source. 2022, rapid revenue growth. 2022 marked a year of strong revenue growth for Nano Dimension, reaching $43.6 million, an increase of over 315% year over year. This growth was largely driven by increased market adoption of its 3D printing solutions. Despite the revenue boost, the company continued to report significant operating losses, largely due to ongoing investment in its R&D and manufacturing expansion efforts. Nano Dimension's financial performance in 2022 was a reflection of its aggressive scaling strategy, 52 source. 2023, record revenue and restructuring. In 2023, Nano Dimension's revenue reached $56.2 million, its highest to date, with an organic growth rate of 29%. This was driven by strong sales across its product lines, including advanced electronics manufacturing systems. However, the company continued to report substantial losses, with a net loss of $54.5 million. During this year, Nano Dimension also undertook a major restructuring initiative, reducing its workforce by 25% to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs 53 source. 2024, strategic acquisitions and expansion. By 2024, Nano Dimension achieved its best quarterly revenue ever at $15 million in Q2, bringing the first half of the year's total to $28.35 million. This marked a slight decrease from the same period in 2023, but was still reflective of the company's overall stability. Gross margins improved to 45.4%, highlighting better cost management and operational efficiency 51 source. The company's acquisition of Desktop Metal in 2024 is expected to be a game changer, potentially positioning Nano Dimension as a leader in both polymer and metal additive manufacturing. Despite the revenue achievements, Nano Dimension continued to report net losses due to ongoing R&D and operational expenses. However, the company significantly reduced its cash burn, showing progress towards financial sustainability. The acquisition of Desktop Metal is expected to further strengthen its position in the additive manufacturing industry and create opportunities for future growth 51 source. Analyst ratings and outlook. Analysts have been cautiously optimistic about Nano Dimension's long-term potential. The company's aggressive expansion and strategic acquisitions, including Desktop Metal, are seen as transformative, potentially allowing it to dominate the additive manufacturing space. However, profitability remains a key challenge, and analysts note that the company's ability to integrate its acquisitions and control costs will be critical to its future success.